What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're also going to be showing you how to prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts. So let's get into it. All right, as you can see over here, paver guys have already installed all the pavers, and they gave me the little bit of pipe already coming out past them, so that way we don't have to pull them back up. I'm going to be redoing it, putting the Ys and the cleanouts in and everything, but it's going to be going out to here, re-tie in, come all the way out here to the street to a pop-up. Same thing over here in the back. Instead of tying these in together, they have a place for their garbage cans and everything, so we're going to be going back here and doing the same thing, extending the downspout and rechanging it out how they have it right here. We're going to make it go all the way down at the end and have it pop up right here behind where they're going to put the fence, so it will facilitate and drain behind the house. This way everything is away from the foundation. So let's get started. All right, and now we have it all dug out. Everything goes under the sidewalk, all the way down. We're gonna tie into this, 45 it, have it go down all the way under the sidewalk to the curb, facilitate over the street. Back here in the back, we're going to be taking it from where they left off, 22 or 45, probably at 22. Take it down all the way to the end, so that way it'll facilitate back. They're gonna have the fence there. It'll be on the other side of the fence. Go to the back, and it'll be able to water the plants and everything back there. Now to pipe it up. And here we go. We're all piped up. Everything's tied in, as you can see. Completely downhill to level here. Downhill to level here. We have it going all the way, so when the water hits, it's gonna rush, come exactly all the way down. Still downhill to level here, all the way. Everything's gonna stop here, build up. You see the burrito wrap there? So that way it's turned into the mini dry well. Got the holes inside, you got the rock. Wrap it all up, make sure it lasts as long as possible. Water's gonna build up, come up over the curb, facilitate, and go down toward the nearest storm drain. Now to get the back. And here we go. Reconfigured everything. Now there's a clean out. We have all the pipe, everything's piped out to the back. As you can see, we are downhill to level here. And then have it going the same all the way over to here. And we're extremely downhill to level, so as soon as the water starts going, it's gonna flow even massive and even faster. All the way down here at the end, where it's completely downhill. Everything's gonna sit here, build up, come out, facilitate, and water all of this. Now to backfill and show you how it all works. Here we go, this is how you test it. Put the hose inside the clean out. Remember, the pipe goes all the way down, over, underneath the ground and everywhere. It's gonna come on here to the pop-up. So now we have the hose in it. Water's coming out. And as you can see, it's just about to pop up. Obviously, it'll be popping up a lot faster and harder when we have actual rain and head pressure. But for now, this is all you get to see, just the hose power, which isn't but so much. That's how it's gonna do. It's gonna pop up, build up, overflow, come out here, and there's no sprinklers or anything back here, so it'll help water the grass and all these trees. Now to show you the front. And this is how the front looks. Water goes into the Y clean out, comes down, everything comes down under the sidewalk, comes to the street, pops up, facilitates over, as you can see, and then it will go all the way down to the nearest storm drain down the street. That is exactly how you prevent your yard from flooding, by running out your downspouts. And obviously when it's actually raining, it'll have more head pressure, and this will be up top, squirting out water like crazy. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.